5 long months since we've been out in the RV, and next week we are headed out for the first trip of the year. So you know what that means. It's time to take the cover off. We are here at our first harvest host. This is 43 Ranch. It is an olive orchard, and they press olives and make olive oil. We haven't seen the tour of the place yet. We rolled in here around 5:30, got all set up. Jamie's cooking some dinner, and so far I am really impressed with Harvest Toast. I mean, look at this place.
And then keep where we hide.
Here we are in the olive grove. It's a cloudy morning. It's supposed to rain maybe tomorrow. Hoping we can get a tour here later. What do you think of this olive grove?
Bad. Good.
The olives are dumped into this hopper over here and they go up into a vacuum. It spins our hammers. So that's being spun by the large motor. The small motor is spinning this screen the opposite direction. So the olives come in here and they are obliterated. This is a malaxer. Malaxer is Latin for kneader. And that column of oil that forms in the middle is what we're taking back out the front here, and it falls down into this tank. That article is
That's all? Fries and a shake?
Get a grilled cheese.
And what else?
Oreo shake.
Hand rolled. There's no machines that make it. There's about 20 places in Sweden that make it currently. We're the only place in the United States.
We're headed here to Santa Ines Mission. There's great RV parking across the street at the library, and so we're walking to the mission right now. Andrew's Mission. What's the name of Andrew's Mission?
Santa Ines.
Santa Ines Mission.
Where's the mission?
Solvang.
Oh, where is it in the picture?
What?
We're in it.
It's right there.
We're in
The cemetery.
the
Or
cemetery.
the garden.
We're in the
The
garden. What'd you guys think of the mission?
It was pretty cool.
It was pretty cool.
There's only one original door in the mission.
Which door was that?
It was the one that led to the garden.
Okay. What'd you think of the inside of the church part?
Yeah, I
It
liked
was huge. I thought it was cool that, and there was the rope that was supposedly worn by JUNIPERO SERRA.
Really?
Yeah,
What was that robe like?
it was gold.
Did it look old? Are you glad you came?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe. Just maybe. Had a tall door?
Yeah.
Or is it a short door?
No, it's a tall door.
Reach up. Can you touch the top? empty RV park. It has full hookups. You can see that the spaces are pretty tight to each other, but they are mostly paved with concrete pads. This is the concrete pad at our site at Lake Cachuma. You can see it's not the greatest. My favorite is this duct tape part that's sticking up here. Not sure what that's for. It's not really doing much of anything, I don't think. It's pretty convenient. It's kind of between Solvang and Santa Barbara. And so we saw Solvang today on the way here. We're going to head down to actually Ventura tomorrow to go out to the Channel Islands. And the next day we're going to go to Santa Barbara. So I think it'll be a pretty decent home base for the next few days.